Honorable Chairman of School Management Committee, Mr. Mohan Prasad Prajapati sir, respected Principal sir, distinguished guests, and all the teachers present. Good morning everyone, and welcome to everyone to this Ex-Teachers Meet program today. I am Manju Shrestha. I have been working in Bal Vikas School as an administrative assistant for 3 years. Today, I am going to read this speech on behalf of our beloved former Chinese teacher, Huang Yuzi. These are her words. Dear Bal Vikas School at your 40s, I am a faculty of you at your 31. Don't you remember an ignorant and rash Chinese girl, but crazy over you so much? On this special occasion of your 4-decade celebration, I am filled with gratitude to deliver my warmest congratulations and the most sincere blessing to you. Leaves falling, autumn calling, 9 years have passed. That time, I was only 25. After the cheerful 1 year staying with you, I moved around, got newly occupied, got married, became a mother. No 1 minute stop. But I always think of my time in Bal Vikas. When I lost in the dreamy memories, a feeling of peace flows into my mind. That is the magic of Bal Vikas. That is the magic of Nepal. I still remember the red bricks teaching buildings. The classrooms were printed into light blue color, which matched the dark red window frame so well, giving a retro and charming look. I also remember the arched small gate made of flowers and plants on the edge of the playground, through which I can go into the teaching building every day. And the roof eaves with Nepalese architectural features and the wooden doors with unique caved patterns in the other side of the teaching building. And the Chinese room supported by our generous principal Surendra Raj and Chinese Center. The time with the students was so nice. They were so sincere and enthusiastic with me as well as my Chinese class. Some girls were more curious about me, even my hair, my eyebrow, my skin. Whereas, what they never knew was that I was equally curious about their vivid big eyes. They were shining like stars, like diamonds. Only a clear mind can foster such clean eyes. All the students managed to behave well in my classes and committed themselves to learning Chinese. That feeling was amazing because that was my first year teaching formally, and their positive feedback was so important to my following teaching career. But if time flies back, I would not push them by the words, Chinese class is Chinese class. I should have given them more options and respected their individual differences more. I apologize. I also had the best colleague in Bal Vikas, the smiling music teacher, the handsome physics teacher, the graceful math teacher. I felt so joyful when we enjoyed tiffin time together and you guys gave me a great support in my work. We even had a memorable journey to Chitwan Park. Regretfully, due to my shyness and timidity, I didn't have enough conversations with you all. However, every time we passed by and smiled at each other, it was the best proof that we accepted and appreciated each other. With this speech can send my greetings to you all. Meanwhile, I have to greet dear Sita Miss separately. Like a sister, like a mother, you cared me so well. Memory goes clearly that there was a time you took me and my roommate Hanmi to the clothes shop to measure our size. Do you know, in many ethnic groups in China, only mother would do this behavior when the daughter is going to marry. At that moment, I felt like you are my Nepali mother exactly. The last but not least, I have to mention our great principal Surendra Raj Gosai sir. I mention him at last because he is the only one who impressed me the most and the only one I still keep in touch with. He was always engaged with affairs about school and outside of school. Every day schedule stuffed with endless meetings, conferences, programs, looking high and noble. It seems he can do everything well. He has been confidently wearing many hats though. I deeply believe Bal Vikas is honored to have this capable leader, and our school will surely gain greater prosperity because of him. But the other side of him is gentle, humorous, thoughtful, and charming. Not a single word can describe him specifically. I have to end the words now. While I am organizing these words, it feels as if I have once again engaged in a profound conversation with Bal Vikas School and my past memories. Time will let us meet soon, and once again, I'd like to convey my best wishes to the school, to my beloved ones in the school, Huang Yuzi. Thank you.